I was initially a bit hesitant to order from Kai Trump Shop because, like many people, I've had my fair share of disappointing experiences with online shops. But after seeing some of their products and reading what looked like genuine feedback, I decided to give them a try, and I'm so glad I did. From the moment I placed my order, everything about the experience was smooth and professional. The website was well designed and easy to use, with clear product images and thorough descriptions that made it easy to know exactly what I was getting. I especially appreciated the transparency around sizing and materials, which helped set accurate expectations. Once I placed my order, I received a confirmation email right away, followed by shipping updates within a few days. The communication from the shop was consistent and reassuring. They sent tracking details and followed up to make sure I received everything without issues. Shipping was surprisingly quick, especially considering today's delays with many online orders. The item was carefully packaged and arrived in excellent condition. No dents, no wrinkles, and clearly handled with care. As for the product itself, I couldn't be more impressed. The quality was exactly as advertised, if not better. It had a premium feel, solid construction, and the materials felt durable and long-lasting. It wasn't just some generic product with a flashy design slapped on. It really looked and felt like something made with pride and attention to detail. Whether you're a supporter looking for patriotic merchandise or just want something unique, this shop seems to take their branding and production seriously. One of the biggest highlights for me was the customer service. I had a small question about an order detail and reached out to their support team. To my surprise, they responded within a day and were polite, helpful, and genuinely interested in making sure I was happy with my purchase. It didn't feel like a canned reply or a customer service bot. It was a real person who took the time to provide a thoughtful answer, which goes a long way in today's e-commerce landscape. Overall, I can confidently say that Kai Trump Shop exceeded my expectations in every way. From the quality of their products to the reliability of their service and the professionalism of their team, it was an all-around positive experience. I've already recommended them to a few friends and family members, and I'm planning to order again soon. If you're on the fence about whether or not this is a legit shop, I'd say go for it. You'll likely be pleasantly surprised, just like I was.